Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today's Inktober prompt is rocket. So the first thing that came to my mind while looking at this prompt was space shuttle, because that is what we all have been looking at for now years. So that is what a rocket actually meant to me. So in this drawing, I would try to sketch the whole of a space shuttle that we generally see flying off the Earth. So the big part behind the flight-like object, that is the external tank, and the two supporting similar-looking parallel tops that we can see, they are actually the solid rocket boosters. And the main, as I said, the aeroplane-like structure, that is the rocket that we know, is called the orbiter. As far as my knowledge is concerned, I know that except the rocket itself, that is the orbiter, others are just used to help the rocket, that is the space shuttle, to get out of the Earth's atmosphere. And that is that for my knowledge of space shuttles or rockets. Let's come back to the drawing now. For the drawing, I obviously used the black ball pen. Now, sketching a rocket for the first time, and that too for an Inktober challenge, that itself is a challenge to me. But still, as I have done as of now, I had to draw it, and I wanted to draw it with the full capacity of myself. I wanted it to look like what my thoughts, my imagination of a rocket is. I saw few available Instagram and Google images, because these are available things, right? We have been looking at them now. Even now, the last shuttle, if you want to see the launch of it from any country, you would easily get it on the internet. So these are proud moments for any and every space agency of a particular country. Even my country, India, are now doing great job in space. So quite proud of that. So this was kind of a tribute to these scientists here in my country and all over the world. So I don't know, like every other kid, I also wanted to be a scientist at times, but somehow life made me an artist, so that maybe I can illustrate things that I imagine I could have been. That is why now Inktober helps me that ways. So thank you, Jake Parker, and anyone and everyone who's participating in Inktober. This helps me grow as a human being, as an artist, and all of that. So this is what a rocket looks like in my imagination and in my illustration both. And this is how I started drawing it. So once I finished the outline of the rocket, all the four major parts, I started using the ink. So the use of brush and ink, this I started in 2018. I remember looking at another fellow YouTube artist who used to sketch with ink using the paint brushes, and I really loved her idea. So that gave me this basic idea of using it. Again, I should remind you that I have already made a video of all the materials that I have used, and I will be using further for the remaining days of Inktober. All of it is described in a dedicated video that was shot and uploaded on YouTube before Inktober. So you can go there, you can check out all of it. The most important thing that I emphasized for this Inktober is that I did not want to use expensive materials. So the whole aim of drawing Inktober or trying an Inktober challenge is you need to draw every day and bring this passion of sketching every day or drawing every day into yourself, and that habit should make you a better artist. So that is what was the motto, that is what was the challenge in itself, and that is what I wanted to bring out. Hence, I have only used easily available materials. I won't say cheap, because no material is cheap enough, anything and everything can be used for awesome drawings. I have seen different YouTubers and lots of artists using even cheap materials for awesome and amazing drawings and illustrations, and you really do not need a very expensive pencil or not even an iPad to bring out the thoughts in your mind. If you keep drawing, then someday for sure you will get all those, and without much effort. But right now, if you have anything, just use a pen and a paper and go on sketching. That is very important. Coming back to my drawing here, the rocket, I was pretty satisfied and happy about how I sketched it, and the things that I wanted to depict, they were easily depicted, and as I said, I was happy. So I would like to know your thoughts for this drawing too. I would love to know your comments, so please keep commenting. Your support has been immense and huge, thanks to multiple people. I cannot say how much grateful I am. Even you guys have said that my voice is also good. In fact, I've seen people whom I have admired. They said that my voice, my accent is good enough for them to come back to my videos and watch it. So guys, I must say that I'm a fan of yours, your drawings, and thank you for all these compliments, and thank you for the support, the huge amount of support that you guys are showing throughout the Inktober, from the very first day till today, and I think beyond forever. You guys are supporting me, and I know that. So thank you all. Thanks for helping me. So please share this video if you like my work, because I want to reach more people. I want to sketch more every day, and for that I want to reach more people. So please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and share my work if you like my work. And till then, see you again for the next prompt. I will be back tomorrow, and stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.